Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I repair this wall. My electrician did a little bit of work. I've got this channel that he chased out and I'm going to repair it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this whole channel with some water. Right, so what I'm using here is called Thistle Bonding Coat. It's a wall repair plaster which has a thicker consistency, so it's great to fill deep holes. Just gonna put some water in. This stuff is actually quite thirsty, you know. This stuff needs a lot of water. I always find, wow, surprisingly thirsty. Right, folks, and now I have a choice between a big plastering trowel and a small one, and I'm gonna go for the small one because I have more control and it's just a small channel. And I grab myself some plaster. Fill this gap. Once it's gone off a little bit, I'm going to spray it. I want to smooth it out to make it look a bit more finished. So I'm going to spray it with water. And I have a super clean trowel again, you can see. And that allows me to smooth over it. Water is really your magic weapon with plaster. So this is what it looks like now. That's how I did that. Happy DIY!